Welcome to the SOLIDWORKS What's New 2019 guide to Silhouette Defeature. Creating highly detailed production-ready components is something SOLIDWORKS excels at, but not all of this detail is required in a higher level assembly. The Defeature tool provides the capability to massively remove unnecessary detail to improve large assembly performance or to protect intellectual property. SOLIDWORKS 2019 introduces a new silhouette option to help simplify an assembly based on the outlines of components and bodies. We will start by selecting several components that we would like to retain their original geometry. In other words, no simplification. The variety of simplified methods are available. For this selection we will use no simplification just to copy the geometry. As we add this group, SOLIDWORKS splits the window and presents a preview of the simplification. The view orientation of the window helps us stay in sync with what is going on in the visualization process. Next we can use the new option of selected identical components to grab all of the rail wheels and all of the studs. The cable and the motor end plate are selected, as well as the motor, which is a body. For this selection we will choose a cylinder method of simplification to really strip off all of the detail. Next we'll grab all of the nuts in one go, as well as the bodies of the pivot hanger and all of the electrical control box. For these, the polygon outline method is used, which creates an extruded polygon that fits around the outline of the selected components. Finally, the drive motor is simplified using the tight fit outline method. This will create an extruded body by using a tight outline of the selected components in multiple directions. Default planes or a face can be selected to help define the orientation of the outlines. Once satisfied with the original simplification, the Defeature model can be saved into a new document with a link to the original. All component suppliers can upload directly to 3D Content Central to be shared on the web with millions of designers and engineers. This defeatured model is much better suited for a top-level assembly. Simplifying complex assemblies has never been easier with the new enhanced Defeature tools in SOLIDWORKS 2019. This tool will help users share their models and also to protect their intellectual property. Within this video we've seen how we can simplify assemblies quickly and make them visually similar to the original geometry. We can also add associated links to the original geometry to make updating very easy. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video on Silhouette Defeature. Thank you for watching.